guys, today I have received my FabFitFun, and for those who are not familiar, this is a lifestyle seasonal box. $49.99 if you buy it every season, but it's $45 if you pay annually. Now, when buying it for every season, you choose 4 of the products. When you buy it annually, the whole box is customizable, and you do receive between 6 and 8 products in each box. And unfortunately, I did resubscribe late, so I didn't have all the options that you see on the screen, but I do have 6 items in my box. Should be. Okay, so the first item that I'm pulling out of the box is the magazine, which comes in every box. And in the magazine, it tells you just a little bit about the charities that they're involved in, some more member benefits. Then you would have some of the information regarding some of the products that could be in the box. And I don't see any prices. Then there would be maybe a recipe. This one has 2 recipes, some exclusive orders for members, and that's it. All right, so pulling out the first item, looks like a animal print slipper, and this is made by Isaac Mizrahi of New York, large, so they will fit me. I like the bottoms, so they're non-slip bottoms, and these are bendable. And they fit nice, and I needed slippers, so happy with that. Okay, so the next is Barefoot Scientist, and this is a dual-sided foot file. And as you can see, the different texture on each side. And again, there's no prices on anything. And these are just, inserts, flyers with discounts on other things that they'd like you to purchase, HelloFresh and stuff. And this one is called Liquid IV. Meet our multipliers. It's a 360 wellness starter pack, and each little pack has 11 carbs. You just pour it in, mix it with water, and we have 3 flavors. It looks like a tangerine, lemon ginger, and strawberry. So yeah, I'm interested to see what that may taste like. All right, so the next is a Tula Skincare probiotic superfood facial wash. And normally I go to this box for other lifestyle products and not skincare, but I always love a good face wash. And this cleanser has prebiotics, probiotic extract, and turmeric to leave the skin cleansed and balanced, and it is a 6.7 ounce. Okay, so the next one is the brand OUAI. Is that WA? Not sure. But it's a scalp massager. And it's got some nice bristles on it, a handle to hold it, and then a little rope to hang it in the shower. And the flyer in here says that it comes as a set with the detox shampoo. So I think it would be considered one product. Now this detox shampoo says it's for all hair types. It is 10 fluid ounce. And it doesn't mention the massager I don't see on the back of this shampoo, but that sounds really nice to use head massager and after you put that shampoo on your head before you rinse it out. All right, so the next one is called Short Stories Travel Blanket, and this is a 35-inch by 78-inch burgundy red blanket. As you can see, it has this carry case, and it's very thin. It's very lightweight, soft material, and if you do have the option of getting the unhide. I didn't have the option, but I do own one, and that's a very nice blanket. Not that I don't like this, because this is really lightweight, so it would make more sense to use this for travel and the other one for home. And the next is the company Vadam India 25 tea bag recovery sample set. It has India's original chai tea, turmeric ginger, spiced vanilla, turmeric spiced, and sweet cinnamon. So 25 tea bags, certified organic, packed in India. All right, so the last but not least is the company Lilly Pulp ceramic mugs set of 2. It is made in China, microwave and dishwasher safe, and this is 100% ceramic. As you can see, the logo, Lilly logo inside there, which is really pretty in the gold. A blue floral on the outside of the mug, and then the handle has a gold rim on it as well. So here are all the products that I did receive, and each box it has a guaranteed value of over $200. So I have received the slippers, the tea, the ceramic mugs, the OUAI set, and the facial wash, and the travel blanket. So let me know what you think of Winter 2021's FabFitFun in your comments below, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.